Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and earn some coins of TapSwap on TapSwap. So make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into, and now you want to go ahead on your Telegram and search for this TapSwap launch understroke bot, and you want to click on it. After that, you're just going to click start and claim Tap. You want to go ahead and launch it now, claim airdrop, claim, and then you want to connect your wallet. So I'm just going to connect my Keeper. Now, once you have connected, now to receive your tokens, you need to have at least 1 ton on your wallet. So you want to top up your wallet and then restart this bot. So guys, just try it out and you will get your claims on TapSwap if you have at least 1 ton on your Keeper wallet. So that's it guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.